You are looking for correct pronunciation of this French multinational automobile manufacturer? How do you pronounce this brand? Ren-oh-lt? No, it's wrong. The right pronunciation is Renault. 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 Speak once more. Renault. Yes, perfect. The Renault Corporation was founded on 25 February 1899 as Société Renault Frères by Louis Renault and his brothers Marcel and Fernand. Louis was a bright, aspiring young engineer who had already designed and built several prototypes before teaming up with his brothers, who had honed their business skills working for their father's textile firm. So here is how we can correctly pronounce Renault. Join us to find more confusing brand names.